In this video, we will dive into the WooCommerce multi-vendor Printify integration.
A powerful tool that connects your multi-vendor marketplace with Printify, enabling each vendor to create, manage, and fulfill their own custom products using Printify's global network.
Apart from this, I would like to mention that if you need extensions for increasing the sales of your e-commerce store, then you can visit store.webkul.com and explore our number of products for every technology. We also have the user guide for the same in our blog sections, from where you can check the features and configurations and get to know the functionality of the extensions as well. Now, let's move back to our video.
Firstly, to use this module, you must have a Printify account. Log in to your Printify account. We first need to generate the Printify API token, which is required to connect your Printify store with WooCommerce. To do this, click on Account, then go to Connection and click on Generate. Provide a token name for identification. Choose the scope based on what you want to allow, and finally, click on Generate Token. Once generated, copy the token. This token will be used to connect your WooCommerce store to Printify. After completing this, let's go back and check out the admin flow. Click on Admin Login, then click on Marketplace and go to Printify Connect. Click on Add Account. Paste the API token you generated from Printify. Choose the store and click on the Save button. As you can see, your Printify account will appear in the list. To configure it, click on Manage Account. Under the Connection tab, you can view your current API token and connection status. This helps verify whether the connection to Printify is active. Now, let's check out the Import Product tab. From here, you can manage Printify product imports. Click on Import Product. This will fetch your products from Printify.
As you can see, all the products present in your Printify account are now imported. Once imported, click on Create Product. This step will create those products in WooCommerce. You can view the imported products under the Products section. As shown, all the products have been successfully created. Now, let's return to the module functionality and check out the Manage Order section. When a customer places an order for a Printify product, it will appear in the Manage Order section. Locate the new order, select it, and click on Export to send it to Printify for fulfillment. Finally, under the Settings tab, you can configure automatic actions for imported products. Choose a default category to assign to products after import and creation. You can also set the product status upon import as either draft or published. You have the option to enable or disable the automatic export of orders to Printify. After finalizing all settings, click on Submit. Now, let's take a look at the seller workflow. For the seller's end, click on Seller Login. The workflow for the seller is similar to the admin's workflow. Log in with the seller credentials and click on the Login button. After that, click on Printify Connector. Vendors can also connect their own Printify accounts to manage their products and orders independently. To do this, click on Add Account. Enter the Printify API token generated from the Printify account under the Connection section in the Account tab. After entering the token, click on the Next button. Once done, you will see your store name displayed. The Printify account will now be connected. Click on Manage Account to configure it. Just like the admin, vendors can also see their connection status and token under the Connection tab. In the Import Product tab, vendors can import and create their Printify products. Click on Import Product to fetch items from their Printify store. After that, click on Create Product to list them in the WooCommerce marketplace. Vendors can also delete all or selected products using the Delete button. Now, let's see the Manage Order tab. Orders placed for vendor Printify products will appear in the Manage Order section. Vendors can select an order and click on Export to send it to Printify for fulfillment. The order sync status is shown for tracking purposes and can be viewed here. Now, let's explore the Settings section. Under this section, vendors have access to auto-sync functionalities. 1. Default category. This determines where your imported Printify products will be placed within your WooCommerce store. 2. Import product as.
This controls the visibility status of newly imported products from Printify. You can choose between draft or published. 3. Auto Export Order. This setting lets you decide whether orders should be sent to Printify automatically. You can enable or disable this option as needed. After adjusting the settings, click on the Submit button.
Now let's see the customer workflow. Once products are imported and created by either the admin or vendors, they are displayed on the front-end store for customers to browse and purchase. Click on Customer Login and log in with the customer's credentials. Click on the Login button, then go to Shop. Add a Printify product to the cart. Click on View Cart, proceed to Checkout, and place the order. After successful payment, the order is created in WooCommerce. It will then appear in the Manage Order tab. The respective seller can then select and export the order to Printify for automatic fulfillment and shipping. This completes the workflow of the Printify connector for WooCommerce Marketplace. So this is the functionality of this module. I hope you liked it. If you have any queries, contact us at support@webkul.com or raise a ticket at webkul.uvdesk.com. Thanks for watching, and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for the latest update.